and today I'm going to show you how to make Scotcharoos for either a big Christmas party or just for your family. Here's the list of ingredients you'll need to make these Scotcharoos. You'll need 12 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, 1 package of butterscotch, and 1 package of milk chocolate chips, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of light corn syrup, and 2 cups of peanut butter. You'll need some Pam spray so your squares don't stick, a big bowl to mix all of your stuff together, and a pan to put it in. What we're going to start with is 2 cups of light corn syrup. Now I know this is extremely unhealthy, but it's once a year you're going to eat these, okay? So we're going to take 2 cups of corn syrup, light corn syrup, and 2 cups of sugar, bring it to a boil, okay? That's going to take a few minutes for that to come to a boil. You kind of want to do it on medium-high. You don't want to rush it because you do not want to burn it. Okay. I'm going to say roughly 5 minutes. It takes a while for it to come up to a boil, but you do want it to go slow and you want to continually be stirring it, okay? So it's coming to a boil right now, so we're going to shut this off. And to this, take it right off the stove, we're going to add 2 cups of peanut butter. Okay. Kind of want to do this kind of quick, so really it's best if you can get yourself prepared ahead of time. So what we're going to do after we stir this all up, we're going to add this to 12 cups of Rice Krispies. That's about a full 12-ounce box of cereal plus 2 cups of another box. So you're gonna need 2 boxes to make this. This is going to make a ton of squares. They're perfect to take to your work for your Christmas party, or cut them all up, put them in cute packages, and pass them out to your friends for Christmas. So we're just gonna mix this all together. Keep it off the heat because we don't want to cook that peanut butter. We just want to melt it. Okay? So we're getting there. So stir that up. Then we're going to pour this on top of our 12 cups of Rice Krispies. Yeah, look, it looks really nice. It's getting very thick. Sugar to this. You need a really big bowl so you can get this all mixed together. Get that so every one of those are covered. Oh, and it's messy. It's okay, so you have a big bowl. Because it's going to start to harden, so you got to keep it moving. Now we're going to spray a pan so it makes it easier for it to come out. This is how big the pan. If you do not have this big of enough pan, just put it in 2 smaller pans. It's no big deal. Okay, now we're going to transfer this before it gets too hard. spoon. And then we're just going to press this down. It's still quite warm. I need to use my hands, but really, it's the best way. I wet my hands with a little bit of water, and we're just going to press these down into place. And you want to press them very hard. Okay. Pat that right down the best you can. Okay. It is warm, but it's not that horrible. Just keep pressing it until they're all even. Okay, so this job is done. Okay, all pressed in. The next step is 1 bag of butterscotch and 1 bag of milk chocolate. And we're gonna melt this in the microwave. Do it 30-second intervals until it's melted completely. Okay, so now we're just going to pour all of this onto our squares. Don't want to waste any of this. Because to me this is the best part. Chocolate off. I'm going to take a spreader and we're just going to spread this all over. So there they are. You're going to put them in the refrigerator until they're completely cooled. We'll cut them and you can give them to your friends.